Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps step by step. You can save several places to one list, making it easy to find them later. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Maps website. Then, sign in with your Google account. In the search box, type the name or address of your first location. Press Enter. Click the location from the search results. In the information panel on the left, click Save. Choose an existing list, such as Favorites, Want to Go, or Starred Places. Or click New List to create your own. Enter a name for the list. Then click Create. Now, search for another location. Click the location from the search results. Again, click Save. Select the same list you created earlier. Repeat these steps for every location you want to pin. To view all your saved locations, click the menu icon in the top left corner. Then select Saved. Open your list to see all the pinned locations displayed together. You can click any location in the list to view it on the map. And that's it. You've successfully pinned multiple locations in Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.